For my chocolate lovers out there, what's better than a chocolate chip cookie? Well, a double chocolate chip cookie. And that is exactly what we are going to make today. You guys, thank you so very much for joining me today. And if you're joining me for the first time, not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below. And also remember to give this video a like and a share. And you guys, not only are we making a double chocolate chip cookie, but we are going to make it low carb and keto friendly. So you guys, without further ado, let's bake together. For our cookie recipe, we have a combination of dry ingredients as well as wet ingredients. So for dry ingredients, we have in our bowl almond flour. To it, we are going to add some baking soda, salt, and because we are in fact using almond flour, we're going to use some xanthum gum. And this helps bind the ingredients together. And then lastly, we are going to add our cocoa powder. And because cocoa powder has a tendency to clump, we are going to sift this. Okay. Let's give these a mix. Okay, this is ready. So I'm going to set this aside and then bring in our wet ingredients. Okay, let's start with creaming this butter. And because this was room temperature, it took no time at all to do exactly that. To it, we're going to add our sweeteners. And in this bowl, I have a combination of the white sweetener along with some light brown sweetener. Go ahead and mix this in. Okay, let's scrape down the bowl and give this another mix just so we can make sure that this butter and sweetener is light and airy. Next, our vanilla extract. Mix this in. And you guys, the aroma of that vanilla extract and this butter and this sweetener, oh, so good. Okay, next, our eggs. Okay, everyone, that is looking really, really good. So now it's going to be time to combine the wet along with the dry ingredients. And so that I don't make a mess, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of this at a time until all of this is incorporated. Okay, everyone, so at this point, I am going to revert to this rubber spatula and just make sure that all of the ingredients are well combined. And also get the rest of this deliciousness off these beaters. Okay, you guys, I have gotten these about as clean as I am going to get them. So let me go ahead and set all of this aside, and we are going to bring in the chocolate chips, mix that in, and then we will be ready to form our cookies. Okay, for my chocolate, I have a combination of an unsweetened baking chocolate and then also some Lily's sugar-free baking chips. I just like the combination of the two. So let me go ahead and give this a chop. Okay, and into our batter this goes. All right, now for our chips. And I'm just gonna set aside a few of these to put to the top of these cookies. That will give it a nice presentation. And this is set. So now all we need to do is to bring over our baking mat form these cookies and they will be ready to bake. Okay, I have a 1.5 tablespoon cookie scoop, and let's go ahead and form these cookies. About 2 inches apart. Okay, you guys. Now for the finishing touch before they go into the oven, which has, by the way, preheated to 350 degrees. Just gonna add some more chocolate on top. All right, you guys, and off to the oven these go for about 10 minutes. I'll see you soon. Hot out of the oven. And all we need to do is to let these sit for a few minutes just so they can cool down, and we'll be ready to give these a taste. All right, everyone. We have a plate full of deliciousness, a double chocolate chip cookie. Nothing left to do but to give this a taste. Lord, I thank you. And I will have to tell you guys, these actually spread a lot less than what I anticipated, and I am not mad at that at all. So this reminds me more of a brownie cookie. So I attribute the lack of spread probably due to the fact that I did add less butter in this particular recipe than I normally would. Instead of a whole stick of butter, I cut it back to 3/4 of a stick. But again, look at that. It is like a brownie cookie. It's a little bit of a crunch on the outside, and it is soft and gooey on the inside. You guys, it's soft, gooey, and delicious on the inside. This thing right here, you have got to give it a try. You guys, I'll be right back with you when I'm done. No, I'm kidding. Please do give these double chocolate chip cookies a try. You will be so happy that you did. And also leave in the comments that you did in fact try these. Let everyone know just how phenomenal they are. Remember to give this video a like and a share. And also please do subscribe to my channel by pressing that subscribe button below if you've not yet done so before. Thank you guys so very much for joining me. Remember to continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you guys real soon on my next Fit 550. Thank you guys, and enjoy.